Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Dottie from Ignite Cinemas. Today's Friday, so
it's Final Cut Fridays!
And on this Final Cut Friday, I'm going to show you the easiest way to sync video and audio in Final Cut Pro 10. Let's get it! Okay everybody, so I'm going to make this tutorial very short and sweet. I recently had a client send me two separate files, one being a video file and one being a separate audio file. And it reminded me back in my music video days when I had to sync everything up. Now you could technically sync it up yourself and drag and drop and try to get everything synced up and everything and match up the audio. You could do that, but who has the time for that? I'm gonna show you a quick way to do it, the easy way to do it. Keep it KISS, keep it stupid simple, stupid. You make a new event, drop in your two files here. What you're gonna do here is you're gonna select both of them and you're gonna right click and you're gonna go to synchronize clips. Then this is gonna pop up here. You can rename it. I'm gonna name this Boomer Audio Test. Let me see. Everything's laid out. I mean, this is the video file it has. Yes, check that. Yes, check that. Everything should be laid out for you already. Click that. Oh, what do we have here? Now I got my project here, and here's the audio test. I'm gonna drag that in, and look what happens.
Hi, Brian Stecker here.
Woo!
Fitness.
Everything's synced up for you. That peasy, easy peasy. You know, you guys can do this whenever you get two separate files and you need to sync them up. I'm sure if you're directing music videos, you can do the same type of thing. I wish I would have known this before, but this makes everything 10 times easier. And then you can go in here and tweak the audio. Now I'm gonna probably boost it up maybe to 5. I always do a noise removal. I always do like maybe a 46. And here's a secret of mine. So you come over here to audio, go under all, see this voiceover enhancement, drop that, and then if it's a female or male, I mean adjust accordingly, but I always go smooth male voiceover. Leave that at 50. Like I said, do the noise removal. I don't care what mic you're using, do this, it makes it super crispy. And then let's get some playback.
Hi, Brian Stecker here from Boomer Fitness, where I'm going to show you a beginner workout for men over the age of 40 to help you improve your upper body strength.
And then you can go, of course, color grade and do all that extra stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If it was easy and it benefited you, click that thumbs up for me, like the video. If you want to see more Final Cut Friday videos as well as tutorials and unboxings, reviews, tests, please hit the red button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. And as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya.